Hello, Wakego. What is keeping you now, eh? I don't stand for road tire. People come to look me like mad person. I beg, do quick. The woman don't prepare the show, we finish. Everything don't do. Yes.
Good evening.
Please, I dey wait, eh? Thank you.
Timo.
Lovely.
Hey! Now you be this.
I changed.
You say you change.
Now me. As you say, Madam, good evening. Yeah, I shock you. You shock me.
You're not supposed to shock you because as I dey pass now belly now I first see.
Oh. This one evidence of good living. How we come to that? How we him ready? Come on, God, don't eat a quadrant now for. This is what they talk say. If you don't make money, if you dey chop money, they supposed to dey see for your body. No be say person go chop this, chop that. At the end of the day, give me a chichororo. No, I dey eat money. They see for my belly.
So for your mind now, what in your mind they tell you say? Timo, I no want talk too much. Timo, I no want talk too much.
I know.
You know well. Machi, you know well.
How you miss that? Me know well.
You know well now.
I well. What did they do me?
See
now
your
no man cough. Wait.
See your eyes. See your belly. See cough. Wait, just the cough.
This cough, they say now, a normal thing, not too much of cold drinks. Now in the cause I'm saying go. A man must die of something now. You know understand?
Ma ask you don't ever try go check up before?
Check up, say waiting they do me. Where I see money, they take go do check up. Check up for this time around where you know say the thing don't enter for computer. If you enter computer, they go do general thing. The thing where you know one here, they go begin to tell you.
Hey,
No
you don't hit them. See, all these ones where they talk say check up, it's expensive. They go use computer do this one. So you never hear of Fluorite Health Club?
Fluorite.
Yes, Fluorite Health Club. Na NGO na it be. This club, you know what thing that they do? As you be like this, you supposed to go submit yourself to them. Bagam. They go from head to toe. Look your inside, look your outside. Tell you what thing they do you. All this is where you carry here na disease. Na disease, cholesterol go kill you die yo. You dey do detox.
Detox.
Detoxification. Hey, Kegiga who got her? Your belly, your intestine, you don't ever clean them before. Your alimentary canal, you don't ever clean them before.
You do clean up. I know
your blood, you don't ever clean them before.
Clean.
You see? Same yo. You know how many children I don't born now? I don't born 4 children, see as I be. This one no be say when time go reach, I go begin go do surgery. Health is wealth. As you take care of yourself for your young age, during old age, you go enjoy am well. You know? And all these things, FHC, Fluorite Health Club, go offer you all these things free of charge.
Free of charge?
See us.
What you call them?
Fluorite Health Club.
Hey.
If they lag behind,
they no go collect money.
Collect which money? When they go check your, as you be like this, I don't say, your heart self gone. Your heart self. They go check your BP for you.
Now so my heart they do brutum. Every minute. If I walk a small, that's so my body go dey shake. If I go toilet, if I finish toilet, can't turn back. Wow. Give him no hope. Still, if I shoot and finish, the belly go still there where it is. Nothing what I never do. If I dey sleep for night, I no go fit sleep under the same room with me. Now so I go dey snore. Hey. Today my family nobody dey gree come near my house again.
Wahala dey for you.
Wahala no be small one, but I think say na good health na you get ready.
See, make I tell you, there are other things where you go benefit from them. They go help you. Tell you the kind of food where you're supposed to eat. They go give you food pyramid. This one is the one where you go take. This one is the one where you go take. They go list out the fruits where they okay for your body. And they go give you time where you're supposed to be chop. You know, say if you chop night food, now they make your belly like this. All this meat for your age, what you carry beef, they do. I hear your phone call, but I don't know say now they talk that thing. Say they don't prepare for. That thing na potash, it's not good for your health.
What do you call those people again?
Fluoride Health Club.
Fluoride Health Club. So if I join Fluoride Health Club, I go begin to enjoy all those health benefits, good home, good environment, and all the rest of them.
It won't make you carry your money they throw away for hospital. They say prevention is better than cure. So as you go check up, no they fear check up. No they fear check up. If you go check up like this, anything where they detect on time, you go cure them. That will no go cause bigger problem. Like so many women, they tell them they go scam. They go tell you say they no get money. But when cancer go come, the money go come out. Yeah.
Alright, come get so. Mahane jeje, mahana lala, fluoride come get so. Hey, fluoride, fluoride.
Do me one favor.
Hey,
I call the woman where you tell say, make them prepare the show for. Let them say, you know where, you go somewhere.
hello, Nne. I beg no verse. That call, why I call you before, say me we go chop ishewu na Nkwobi. I am calling you now. Make you follow me. Make we go meet Fluoride Health Club. Ka ha nwe ike gwọchasịa anyị ngwongwo na ngwongwo dọrọ na akpakpuru. Isacha ma our blood zacha everywhere so that we go have healthy body for our healthy future. That means our future go dey so featureful. Akwe asakwamia featureful. So please, no more ishewu, no more ngwongwo. We go dey eat am, but it will be very, very mad because health is wealth. Yes. So please, no more too much drinking, no more too much eating, no more late night food. A therapist, a therapist is here with me to teach us how to do it. So please, run fast. Let's go and register with Fluoride Health Club. Fluoride Health Club. Yes. All right. Thank you. Hey. You see how Fluoride Health Club kaige so Mahane jeje mahana lala Fluoride kaige so. Hey, Fluoride Health Club obu ha kaige so hagele maho Fluoride kaige so. You see it? Anywhere where good health today. If person don't get, now person where they are alive, now in they buy motor.
See, if you take good care of your youth, you will enjoy your old age.
You don't hear that? If you take care of your youthful age, you will enjoy your old age. Let all of us wake up now, rush, run, zoom into Fluoride Health Club for them to do proper checkup to your health. They will teach you how to keep your environment. You see, they say neatness is another.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. If you keep your environment clean, it's also part of good health. Eating good food, taking water. In fact, this lady here is a therapist.
Yes.
In conjunction with the Fluoride Health Club. So rush now and register with Fluoride Health Club and enjoy
our good health.
Give me Basamasa.
I'm going to give you a brush and let them now.
Give us the name of the good health.
Get
the Fluoride that wash ya. Fluoride, they will take care of my stomach. I will bounce back to my health.
Yes.
Dennis.